Dude, that looks good.
Nice.
Let's go, baby.
New camera.
All right, guys, we have a GoPro now.
No, we don't.
All right, I'm sorry.
We got a new
But
camera
we're not
mount.
using duct tape anymore. We got a whole new camera mount.
Feels like it's gonna fall off. All right, we just got to the pond. Huh?
Stay on like up the bank.
What do you mean?
Because dude, they can see you. The fish.
Yeah. It's good.
You want to smell these?
No.
I will. Hold on.
Thank you. Uh-oh, my backpack's stuck.
See, Connor, you're too close to the. Oh, okay.
Can you hold it? You say a bad word?
I said nizzle.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever eaten one of those?
No.
Holy balls. Dude, that's cheesy. Actually, it's kind of good. It smells like bacon. Yeah, I'm sorry.
It smells like worms. Doesn't smell like anything.
It doesn't smell like worms.
It smells like fishing worms. Like the rest.
It's like a slap. Jig them like jerk them. No, I'm not say jerk them. Come here. Jig them.
What am I gonna be
Oh, those are
using?
gonna hit.
What, my worms? I got my bluegill. Probably can try.
Dude, if these didn't stink so freaking bad.
That's good.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I know, but I know the fish are gonna love it, but it's so bad for me.
Why?
Like, the fish will love it, but I hate it. Cause bro, I hate the smell of that. It's gonna make me throw up.
They don't care
I'll
about
throw up.
All right, guys, I'm calling it. Fish right here.
I got the worst knot on this hook.
Your casts are booty.
Cheeks. Ha.
Fruity. And the booty.
What?
Dude, this is...
He doesn't mean that. So it goes like that.
Dude, oh my god.
Oh, that was not a bite, bro. I thought I had a bite, but I just dragged it through the grass.
I'm just gonna do this.
Yeah, I'm switching on. Oh, shoot. Do you want to use one of these?
Sure.
Dude, look at this color. That's actually beautiful.
That looks so good. Do you have your clippers?
Yeah, they're in there.
Dude, you can use these scissors.
Is it good? Okay. Is there a weight? It's raining. This is not good.
Okay, guys, it's only raining just a little bit.
I'm gonna have to stop recording. This is getting bad. I'm just gonna throw it on the bed and let it sit.
Dude, are you
Oh my god, there's a school brim right here. You saw that bass too?
Dude,
he just cut off.
There's no way. He took off my fucking. Dude, I'm tired of this little shit.
You just lost you, bro. That sucks. He just stole his worm. Oh my god. A little chunky. I think it's a catfish. I don't want to miss it. Oh. Of course he comes as I pull out. Of course he goes there. Dude. I just watched a bass go onto the beach and then come back in the water. What the heck is that? A boat? Oh. He was thinking about it. Let me rethrow. It's not a good one. Of course. On the grass. There we go. What the heck? That thing lost. He was thinking about me, but he swam. Oh, there's two. Huh?
Oh. Go get one of these.
Nah. He was liking mine. He was just.
Did you bite? Did you get any bites?
He was right up on it, but then
Yeah,
he's.
no, but he. Look.
See, they're right on me. Look. It's a big bass.
Jerk it out of its spot. You're too close to the bank.
You got it?
Oh shit.
They like it. They just.
Go get one of these. Go get one of these.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright. Stop recording. Alright, so as soon as I was gonna go get another worm, Asa caught a bass. Let's see. Looking good? Oh yeah.
Soak that mug. Dang, look at that hook, bro.
Oh my god. Yeah, you got it. It's one of them. You got it.
You hooked it nice and good. Alright, can you get a picture for me?
I'll just screenshot the video.
There we go.
Go.
All right, first fish. That thing's pretty nice.
Chunker. All right, so Hunter just caught a fish too.
Yes, sir.
Nice little bass he got right here.
Look at him.
Oh shoot! Just let him on the ground. That's what Asa did. Ow! That hit me with your pole.
Dude, they're eating
Step on his
today.
tail. Step on his tail.
Yeah. I know, ain't he pretty good?
Get the hook up. Oh, nice.
Thanks.
Hooked him right in his cheek.
Got him.
Here, hold it up like how I take a picture.
That thing
All
right
right,
there.
yeah. Here's him releasing.
Oh, bro. What the freak? By chance, he just caught one.
My first bass on this pond.
First one on this pond.
All right, so it stopped raining again, and I'm gonna try and record. It's like a light on and off shower of rain.
Yeah, so. Chance caught one earlier, but. Shoot.
We couldn't get a shot of it recording because some nice lady was talking to us. But we got I think like a shot of the bass.
Yeah, we got a shot of it.
It was a tiny.
I got a record of it.
Nice.
Like, video.
It was a tiny one, but
Not bad
mhm.
at all.
Where'd all the bass go is my question. Oh, nope. I want to try that pipe over there. I get kind of lazy whenever I'm editing. I like don't watch the video, so there's probably a couple curse words in there. In the first one.
No, I watched it. There was like none.
Because I was tired. It was like 9. We still got like 2 or 3 hours of sun.
He's sitting on the bed.
Okay.
All right, start.
Oh yeah, they're on that bed, but what about this one? Oh yeah, they're back. Oh dude, big one. Oh god. Oh, is that him? Oh, there's a bass. I gotta cast again. Give me that back. That'll work. It's just brim now. There's all the bass left. Oh my god. Oh, never mind. It's a big bass. Oh my. Come on. Come on. Leave them brim alone. You want me. Okay, never mind. Cast. Boom. Money. Put up the thing. Back up. I think I just saw a gar. I saw a fish with like a really pointy head. Come on.
on that bed.
Chance, they're right there.
Yeah, I know. But I can't get a good cast.
Well, stop casting with all that shit on there.
Yeah.
Dude, he's right there. Can I try?
Go get your own water.
I have on a.
Yeah.
What the heck happened to the? No wonder you're not catching anything. What happened?
The bass. Whenever I caught him, he just ate it.
Come back. Bring it. Shoo.
One more. Yeah, like
I
there's
like how light your rod is.
there's a big one right there. They're playing a team deathmatch with Brim right now.